Before you decide to buy Leasely, a property management software, you'll want to know exactly what it offers and how it stacks up against the competition. While Leasely promises to streamline your property management, it's essential to understand its strengths and weaknesses before jumping in. Next thing to consider is its user interface. Leasely offers a clean, modern layout, which makes it easy for anyone, whether you're new to property management or a seasoned pro, to navigate. However, when compared to other software like Buildium or Appfolio, it might feel a bit less intuitive in certain areas. If you have specific needs, the learning curve could take some time. The third thing is its price. Leasely's pricing is relatively competitive, especially if you're managing a small to mid-sized portfolio. However, when compared to other options like Rentec Direct, it can be slightly more expensive for larger portfolios, especially when you consider the transaction fees. Next up, Leasely offers features like automated rent collection, tenant portals, and maintenance tracking, which are standard in property management software. But it lacks some advanced features offered by competitors, such as integrated accounting tools or extensive reporting capabilities found in software like Appfolio. If you need those advanced features, you might find Leasely lacking. The fifth thing to know is that Leasely offers cloud-based access, meaning you can manage your properties from anywhere. While this is great for accessibility, some other property management tools offer offline features, which could be a deal breaker for those needing full functionality at all times. The sixth thing is Leasely's customer support. The platform offers 24/7 support, which is a major advantage over other software that only operates during business hours. However, response times can be slow, especially during peak times, which may frustrate users expecting faster assistance. Next thing to know is the lease tracking feature. Leasely helps you keep tabs on all your lease agreements, but the system isn't as customizable as some competitors. For instance, Buildium lets you set up more complex lease terms and renewals, which might be necessary for larger properties or more intricate lease structures. The eighth thing is the mobile app. Leasely offers a mobile app for both landlords and tenants, making it easy to manage your properties on the go. However, when compared to other mobile apps like those offered by Rentec Direct, Leasely's app feels a bit more basic, lacking some of the advanced functionality. The ninth thing to consider is integration with third-party apps. While Leasely integrates with a few key platforms, it doesn't offer the same breadth of integrations as other tools like Appfolio or Buildium. This could limit your ability to connect to other systems that you use for accounting or marketing. The 10th thing to know is that Leasely offers a free trial. This is a big plus, allowing you to test the platform before fully committing. However, some competitors like Rentec Direct also offer free trials, but with less restrictive features or longer trial periods. The 11th thing is reporting. Leasely's reporting features are fairly basic. While they cover essential metrics like rent collection and maintenance requests, they don't provide the depth of reporting that some of its competitors do, such as Appfolio, which offers customizable reports to help you dig deeper into your business's financial health. Lastly, Leasely is a good option for smaller property managers or those just starting out, thanks to its simplicity and reasonable pricing. But if you're looking for more advanced features, extensive reporting, and a broader range of integrations, you might find more value in software like Appfolio or Buildium. In conclusion, Leasely is a solid choice for entry-level property managers, but if you want a better solution with more robust features and flexibility, check out our recommended alternative that you can try for free.